It's Walter, ibwsales.biz, and I want to try to demonstrate today the Majestic Lock Company tubular lockpick. You can see it here. It's got the 7 sliding fingers. You want to start trying to pick the lock with these all completely at the end. As you work your way along, you're going to turn the direction of the lock and work just a little bit up and down so you don't jump out of this this keeper here. And as you do that, this thing is going to actually make itself into a key that will fit that lock. This is on my handgun case. So let's give it a try here. There it is. Got my Walther in there, and let's see if it worked. Oh yeah, got it done.